squall warning for the following county: Gallia, Ohio, and the following counties in West Virginia: Mason and Putnam. Issued at 11:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a snow squall warning for southern Gallia County in southeastern Ohio, southwestern Mason County in western West Virginia, northern Nicholas County in southeastern West Virginia, Putnam County in western West Virginia, northern Connaught County in central West Virginia, south central Braxton County in north central West Virginia, southwestern Roane County in central West Virginia, southwestern Webster County in northeastern West Virginia, Clay County in north central West Virginia, southeastern Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia, until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Buffalo to near Elkview to near Birch River, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty wind leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 77 in West Virginia between mile markers 103 and 123. Interstate 64 in West Virginia between mile markers 39 and 46. Route 19 between mile markers 45 and 61. Locations impacted include Charleston, Nitro, Winfield, Clay, Webster Springs, Sissonville, Eleanor, Buffalo, Clendenin, Poca, Addison Webster Springs, Camden-on-Gauley, Finch, Glen, Elkview, Cross Lanes, Birch River, Craigsville,